church of St. Bartholomew, the patron saint of the town. The church is a church of the 16th century, but the facade is modern, so of early 20th century. It's similar to the style of Gaudí in Barcelona. The architect who designed this facade, Joan Rubió, was one of the team of Gaudí, worked with Gaudí. That's why the style is similar, but the church is older.
As you know, well, from oils we get olive oil, and I guess you know, is the most important element in our cooking. Without olive oil, we have a real problem. We need a lot of olive oil every day. The seeds are like wood, have no taste and no oil, so we never need to separate. We can ground all the stuff. This was before the 3 stones, the 3 pieces with an engine. Before that was 1 piece small with a donkey. So that's a big difference. So we ground the stuff and then we spread these grounded oils between these mats. This is the second historical element. This is like a filter, so the olive juice goes out. First down, then we open here and go through the tube, through the bottom conductions, the olive juice goes in these tanks. And bear in mind that fresh olive juice is not oil. You can see the photo on the right. It's so dark liquid. This is a mix. But in the tank, in maximum 10 minutes, this becomes 2 juices, 2 liquids for different density. Top oil, bottom dark water, well, it's not water, dark liquid, which has many other residual elements which are almost toxic, so it's a waste. This dark water is a real waste. Centrifugation is a filtering, so we immediately filter through the centrifugation the dark oil and goes out, becomes finished. You see here? And you can consume immediately. With 4 or 5 people working, from the beginning to the end is no more than 3 hours. And the capacity is up to 800 liters per day.
800
liters. This season we produced, was a record, 70,000 liters.